Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Trading Chief, new to the channel. Welcome. I apologize, I haven't done a video in a couple of days. As you can hear it in my voice, I've been sick. Um, but in this video, I wanted to look at a therapeutics company that has an upcoming FDA review on 19th of August. Uh, and this is going to be a supplemental biologics license application, meaning that the drug has already been reviewed and approved for another use by the FDA, and they're looking for the FDA to expand the usage of this drug to a different treatment, as you'll see right here. Um, and so we only got a few news articles. There's not a whole lot of data out on this one. So it says Revance seeks expanded FDA OK of Daxxify and cervical dystonia. Sorry, the ticker is Rvnc for this one, if you want to look at it. It says Revance Therapeutics Inc. on Thursday said it has filed for expanded U.S. Food and Drug Administration approval of its Daxxify injection treatment for cervical dystonia. The Nashville, Tennessee biotechnology company said its application is backed by phase 3 study data showing Daxxify's median duration of response of 24 weeks in the treatment of its disabling chronic condition in which the neck muscles contract involuntarily, causing abnormal movements and awkward posture of the head and neck. Revance, which last month won FDA approval of Daxxify for the temporary improvement of moderate to severe frown lines, said it expects the agency to set a target action date in 2023 for the cervical dystonia indication. So there's the first news article. That was from October 20th of 22. The next one we're going to look at is from January 6th. That's this one. Says Revance says FDA accepts the SBLA for Daxxify to treat cervical dystonia. I think I already said this. SBLA is your supplemental biologics license applications. It just means that they already had the drug approved for the other treatment, and now they're trying to expand it to cervical dystonia. This is Revance Therapeutics Inc. said the U.S. Food and Drug Administration will review the company's supplemental biologics license application for Daxxify as a treatment for cervical dystonia in adults. The company said Daxxify is an injection to treat cervical dystonia, a chronic and debilitating neurologic condition affecting neck muscles. Mark J. Foley, the company's chief executive, said positive results from an Aspen phase 3 clinical program demonstrate the potential of Daxxify to bring sustained symptom relief to cervical dystonia patients, along with the potential for reduced frequency of annual injections. The company said Daxxify was approved by the FDA for temporary improvement of moderate to severe glabellar lines in adults. And then the last one we're going to look at is from January 9th. And it's this one right here. This is, and we're going to skip over most of this because it's irrelevant, but it has the PDUFA date in here. It says Revance Therapeutics shares rally on anti-wrinkle treatment Daxxify's advances. I'm going to skip over all of this, but it says um, separately, Revance late Friday said the FDA accepted its application seeking expanded approval of Daxxify for the treatment of adults with cervical dystonia, a chronic neurologic condition that affects the neck muscles. The agency set a target action date of January 19th for the application. You can read this stuff if you want to. All it does is pertain to the original Daxxify treatment. So there's the sorry, like I said, I've been sick, still sick. For me personally, I don't think I'm gonna buy into Rvnc. I don't think there's enough information here. I think it's going to eventually uh, probably get it may get approved, but there's not enough information off of the cervical dystonia stuff for me to feel comfortable and to buying into it. Um, so that's just my thought process on it. I'm not gonna buy Rvnc. So trade how you want to. Don't take my word. Do your own due diligence and yada yada. Um, and then if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and come check me out in the Banking with Billy Discord. Link will be in the description down below. All right, thank you. Have a good night.